कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिन्निति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol, Hari Naam Sankirtan ki jai.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you so much. Where is Prabhuji Mataji?
Here only, Prabhuji.
What is he playing? Hare Krishna.
Mridang, he was playing Mridang.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. इनको भी कैमरे के एंगल में रखते माता जी, आपने इनको कैमरे से बाहर कर दिया.
बहुत दूर बैठे थे.
Prabhuji stayed away so that Mridang Avaz does not distort the Kirtan. That's the reason.
Very nice. Very thoughtful. Thank you so much. So, we'll begin our session. नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देव गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशिकारिणे श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम राम. So, two things. One is आप लोगों में से how many people participated in the quiz? जो हमने quiz की थी, उसमें से आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों ने भाग लिया था? Okay. So, out of sorry. Out of how many people participated in the quiz, Ronnie Prabhu?
Around 36, 37. Around 36, Prabhuji.
So almost 36 लोगों ने participate किया उस quiz के अंदर और one second. Sorry. Hare Krishna. Sorry. So around 37 people participated in the quiz, and you will be very surprised to know कि उसमें से जो new members हैं, we are not taking हमारे जो पुराने members हैं, but जो हमारे new members हैं, उसके अंदर से जिन जिन लोगों ने किया, उसका जो third prize is third. Actually, out of 37, almost 12 people gave 100% right answers. So आप देखिए, such nice absorption कि out of 36, 12 people gave all the answers correct. और so what we did, हमने जो इन लोगों ने जितना जल्दी आंसर दिया उसके बेसिस पे फिर हमने निकाला कि पहला फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड कौन आए हैं. So the third prize goes to Shri Raj Samant Prabhu from Gandhinagar. So he got third. He got 100% marks, but he got third on the time front. Our second prize is from Gurugram, Vanshika Mataji. She also gave all the answers. उन्होंने भी पूरे answer 100% correct थे. और on the basis of time, we did it. Okay. और जो first prize है, so third is Shri Raj Prabhu Samant from Gandhinagar. Second is Vanshika Mataji from Gurugram. Or the first prize है, that first prize is, though I was surprised, but I'm not so surprised, is Neha Kumra Mataji. She scored first among everybody in the shortest time. Neha Kumra Mataji ki jai ho. Where is Neha Kumra Mataji? She's here. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Thank
Oh,
you.
many congratulations, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hare
You
Krishna.
show yourself to everybody, Mataji. I think most of the people have not seen. If you can show, then please show yourself to everybody. So everybody.
Actually, I'm sitting with a cushion, holding the Bhagavad Gita, and okay, I can. I'm feeling okay. I can show. I'll have to switch on in the settings actually.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay,
It is so
I'll do
nice. Do that, Mataji.
I'll do that.
So,
1 second.
So आप देखिए जितने भी थे, including the new ones and the old ones, Neha Kumra Mataji scored the first prize. सबसे कम समय में इन्होंने जितने आंसर थे सारे के सारे she gave. ये शो कर रहे हैं हमारे प्राइज विनर्स श्री राज पी सावंत प्रभु फ्रॉम गांधीनगर. थर्ड, सेकंड इज वंशिका माताजी गुरुग्राम. मुझे लग रहा है मीनाक्षी माताजी, वंशिका माताजी वो ना हो जिनको आपने प्रसाद डिलीवर कराया था एकादशी वाले दिन, रिमेम्बर, जिनके लिए अरेंजमेंट किया था, जो रुक्मिणी कृष्ण प्रभु के थ्रू आए थे माताजी.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Maybe.
Very thankful for the such an honor. It has been a very learning experience throughout all the days that I've attended at PKS. Everyone has been so humble, and I've learned so much. And I just want to continue on this journey and keep on learning more and more and more. My interest has just started. Hare Krishna.
We can only see your forehead, Mataji. 11th canto. Oh, thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you so very much. So we're very grateful to you. और no doubt आप लोग जो हैं every day you are very enthusiastic in in answering the questions and everything. So it's very very nice. Mataji. I'm very happy you have scored the first prize. Wonderful. So Rari Prabhu, in all three of them will get 1 year subscription of Back to Godhead magazine. तो आप सबके एड्रेस लेके डाल दीजिए और इनके एड्रेस ले लीजिए, and then we can send the magazine, subscribe the magazine to the address. So thank you so much. Okay, chat pe we have few messages. Ankita Mataji saying, Hare Krishna Prabhuji, where was this quiz posted? This quiz was posted on our groups, Mataji, Heritage Group, Sector 9, and Unitech Group. ये हमारे जो ऑनलाइन DYPH सेमिनार चल रहे थे उसकी थी माता जी, बट फिर लास्ट के 2-3 सेशंस के अंदर we started posted the quiz on these groups also. और मेघा माता जी saying हरि बोल, congratulations माता जी, and Sangeeta Sharma माता जी saying Neha माता जी is very enthusiastic, she deserved. Yes, that's very good. So all congratulations to the winners. So now we come to today's very important shloka. Okay, so it is 2.20. Oh, who will sing? Who will sing it? Raise a hand. So we'll start singing the verse, because I know I don't say no recitation because you're all singing the verses. So please on your Zoom app, please raise your hands there on the Zoom app so I can see. राधा कृष्ण प्रभु ने हैंड रेस किया है बिना Zoom ऐप के ही सबसे पहले, so कोई बात नहीं, we'll give him the benefit of doubt. And Prabhu ji senior, so Prabhu ji बताइए, first let Radha Krishna Chandra Prabhu sing. Yes Prabhu ji, go ahead.
Hare Krishna, are you able to hear me?
Yes Prabhu ji, we can hear.
Okay. Okay. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Very nice. Thank you Radha Krishna Prabhu. Then Prabhupada Kripa Sangha. Who is Prabhupada Kripa Sangha? I can't see. Ashok Prabhu. Ashok Prabhu, please go ahead.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mata. Acha, Asha Mata ji. Yes Mata ji, go ahead.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूय अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्ते हन्मने शरीरे.
Thank you so much Mata ji. Then Ankita Mata ji.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूय अजो नित्यशाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
So nice Mata ji. So very nice. Thank you so much. प्रभु जी लोगों की लाज रखने के लिए सौरभ प्रभु आए हैं. Let us see how he sings. गाइए प्रभु जी.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Very nice. Who's the next one? Yes, Neha Mata ji. Neha Kumra Mata ji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, verse 2.20. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूय अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. हरे
Thank
कृष्ण.
you Mata ji. Thank you Mata ji. Then Amit Prabhu. Yes Amit Prabhu.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूया अजो नित्यो शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Thank you Prabhu. Yes, Dinesh Prabhu.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
Hare Krishna.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूया अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Yes. Thank you so much Prabhu ji. Yes, Anupama Mata ji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
Hare Krishna.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूय अजो नित्यशाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Very nice. Thank you Mata ji. Yes, Sangeeta Mata ji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
न जायते प्रियते वा कदाचित् त्रायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूया अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे।
Thank you, Mataji. So nice. Yes, Shivani Mataji, Vijay Mataji or Shivani Mataji.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूया अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे।
So nice. Thank you, Mataji. Yes, Rachna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
Yes, Hare Krishna Mataji. Dandavat pranam.
न जयते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नयं भूत्वा भाविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्य शाश्वतो यं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमान शरीरे।
Thank you, Mataji. So nice. Yes. Yes. Now, yes, Parmeshi Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूया अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे।
Thank you so much, Mataji. So nice. So thank you, devotees, for such wonderful singing of ये जो वर्ष है, इसकी लास्ट लाइन जिसे मैं आपको लास्ट टाइम भी बता रहा था, प्रभुपाद बहुत बहुत बार रिपीट करते थे, ना हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे। So we'll read. अब ये टेक्स्ट पढ़ते हैं। ना जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूया अजो नित्य शाश्वतो अयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे। आप लोगों के पीछे पीछे सुनता सुनता मुझे भी याद हो गया। So we'll do the शब्दार्थ and translation and prepared by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So, na never, jayate takes birth, mriyate never dies, va either, kadache at any time, past, present or future, na never, ayam this, bhutva came into being, bhavita will come to be, va or, na not, bhuya or has come to be, aja unborn, nitya eternal, shashvata permanent, ayam this, purana the oldest, na never, anyate is killed, anyamane being killed, sharire by the body. Translation: for the soul there is never birth nor death, nor having once been does he ever cease to be. He is unborn, eternal, ever existing, undying, primeval. He is not slain when the body is slain. तो इसका मैं हिंदी का भी पढ़ देता हूं। आत्मा के लिए कभी भी, आत्मा के लिए किसी भी काल में ना तो जन्म है ना मृत्यु। वह ना तो कभी जन्म है, ना जन्म लेता है और ना जन्म लेगा। वह अजन्म, नित्य, शाश्वत तथा पुरातन है। शरीर के मारे जाने पर वह मारा नहीं जाता। तो क्या है यहाँ पर आप देखिए कि जो कृष्ण है, अब वो इनको एक एक करके जो भी उनके जो तर्क थे अर्जुन के, वो उनका उत्तर दे रहे हैं कि कैसे जो उनका जो कंपैशन है, that compassion is misplaced, और जो आत्मा है वो कभी मरती नहीं है। ये बेसिक ज्ञान है भगवद गीता का। इसको हम एबीसी बोलते हैं कि आत्मा की कभी जन्म नहीं होता है और ना ही कभी मृत्यु होती है। और शरीर का नष्ट होने से कभी भी जो आत्मा है उसका नष्ट नहीं होता। इज अ वेरी बेसिक ज्ञान। बट आप ये देखिए कि ये जो बेसिक ज्ञान है, अगर हमें इसकी प्राप्ति हो जाएगी, so even if we get this understanding, what do we understand? अगर इसका भी हमें साक्षात्कार ना हो पर एक ज्ञान हुआ और ज्ञान से हमें ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई कि आत्मा कभी मरती नहीं है और शरीर का मृत्यु होने से मृत्यु नहीं होती, तो उससे हम क्या समझ सकते हैं? फॉर पर्सनल, व्हाट कैन वी अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दैट? Raise your hands. What can we understand? Okay. Yes, Amit Prabhu.
Prabhuji, two things. One is soul is different from this body, and number two, it is clearly mentioned that body dies, but the soul never dies. Never dies. It
My
remains
question
the
is
same.
more towards us. What is it? What it means to me? अगर मुझे इसका realization ना भी हो, पर अगर मुझे इसका पता चल जाए और ये understanding हो जाए, what does it mean to me? So that is my question. More for personal level, not general understanding. For personal level, what do we understand? Okay, next one is Shivani Mataji.
जी मुझे लगता है मुझे रियलाइजेशन तो ये होगा नहीं इस बर्थ में, बड़ा मुश्किल है।
That's why I said कि realization ना भी हो, but understanding हो जाए, then what is the effect on us? Yes, Shivani Mataji, go ahead.
तो प्रभु जी लाइक अगर बॉडी अगर लाइक जो नहीं मरता है और जिसका कभी जन्म नहीं होता है, तो हमारी मटेरियल बॉडी का तो जन्म भी होता है तो मृत्यु भी होती है, तो इसका मतलब वी आर नॉट दिस बॉडी एंड
Okay.
then it is ever existence. A soul is eternal. Second
Okay.
point.
Yes, that's a philosophical understanding. I'm saying what is the application for me? That is what the answer I'm looking for. Okay, next one is Sarita Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
So my understanding is ये जानने के बाद जो खुद के साथ बॉडी के साथ जो अटैचमेंट है, जो मरने का डर है, दैट विल बी रिड्यूस्ड। या आसपास जो लोग मर रहे हैं, सपोज आपके रिलेटिव्स, आपके बहुत क्लोज पीपल, सो यू विल नॉट डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय दैट।
Yes, Mataji. First point, very nice. That is one of the point. We should not be fearful of death. But there are one or two points I am also looking. और जो लोग रिश्तेदार या मर रहे हैं, उसका आपने क्या बोला माता जी? couldn't understand कि जो
सपोज जो भी हमारे नियर एंड डियर्स हैं, उनके जाने से भी जो अदरवाइज हम परटर्ब्ड हो जाते हैं बुरी तरह से, हम वैसा फील नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग कहीं ना कहीं हमें टच कर रही है।
ओके, ठीक है माता। ओके, देन यस नेहा माता जी, नेहा कुमार माता जी।
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. If the soul is eternal, and which we understand from the Vedas and from Bhagwan himself, then then our eternal relationships are at the level of the soul. Then the body relationships are, we understand our true identity to be with the soul, because only that is eternal. So our true relationship is at the level of spiritual level.
Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, Hare Krishna. But like I said, I'm looking at more personal, like Sarita Mataji gave the answer. What it is. It is correct. जो आपने बोला नहीं Mataji, it is correct. But more than general, I'm looking for specific. Okay, next is Saurabh Prabhu. Yes, Saurabh Prabhu.
Prabhuji, then I will understand that I am separate from this body, and also that I have eternal relationship with Krishna, and Krishna is like my seed-giving father. So I have eternal relationship with Krishna.
So last का समझ नहीं आया मुझे.
And that since I am separate from this body, and Krishna is my seed giving father and I have eternal relationship with Krishna.
So I am the soul. You're saying I am the soul and Krishna is my father. So then?
So my eternal relationship is with Krishna. So I have to develop that eternal loving relationship with Krishna. I have to work towards that.
But it's been, in this verse there's no Krishna. You're connecting other verses also. I'm saying for this particular verse, just because I don't die like that. Huh? Okay. Yes, Ankita Mataji.
Okay, I would say that all our material belongings, be it anything like be it property or even knowledge, which is on a material platform, it's temporary. It's not internal. It's limited to maybe this lifetime only.
Okay. But अगले lifetime में फिर से उसके पीछे भागेंगे माताजी. हाँ. अगले में फिर वहीं भाग रहे होंगे. Yes. So we should not be attached to them. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, Asha Mataji. Is it Asha Mataji?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji,
Prabhuji,
can you say that when I get to know that I am body plus there is soul also, can you say that is a kind of beginning of self-realization that gives us a seed or gives us some thinking to think if I am soul, so what is my true nature? Kind of self-realization, thinking process.
Voice not coming.
It's not realization. It is information. So, but from that information, what is the understanding we get? That is my question. Okay. Yes, Mohit Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. There are two realizations from my side. First, we get the strength to bear the loss of our near and dear ones, like happened with me recently when my mother left her body. So we start realizing that our near and dear one is not dead. He or she is here with us only. And secondly, our priorities change. We try to realize that our body and soul are different things and our priorities change. For example, previously our priority was to maintain the body, to do exercises and all that. Now our priorities change to chanting. First we have to complete our chanting, then we have to do all the other things. Hare Krishna.
Okay, very nice. Yes, that's a personal realization. It is not easy to lose one's mother and then get that understanding that she's not dying. She's just transferring, the body is going somewhere else. Okay. Yes, next is Sudhir Prabhu.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी मेरी सोच ये है कि अगर हम ये रियलाइज कर लेते हैं कि वी आर द सोल नॉट दिस बॉडी, तो जो हमारी बॉडी है ये कनेक्टेड है भौतिक जगत से, मटेरियल वर्ल्ड से, तो धीरे धीरे जो मटेरियल वर्ल्ड के साथ जो हमारी कनेक्टिविटी है वो हमारी धीरे धीरे खत्म होती चली जाएगी एंड वी विल कनेक्ट टू स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु.
Okay. Okay. Now there are some messages. Amit Prabhu is saying, "I will try to be happy at the time of death, thinking I will get a new body." Okay. We will see that at the time of death, Prabhuji, how happy you are at that time. And Ronnie Prabhu to everyone. I don't know what he's showing. Black hands. Then
raising the hand, Prabhu, actually, because
raising the hand. Oh.
Prabhuji, even I want to say
okay, so 1 second. So then Sarita Mataji is saying, as for me, knowing this, contentment is coming to me. Okay. So now, yes, Ronnie Prabhu, because he's host, he cannot raise hands. Okay, go ahead, Prabhu.
We can say that it brings some sense of fearlessness in us, that like Mohit Prabhu also shared, that we get some strength to bear the loss, or we can perceive that the problems are above that level, that bodily level, and then we are able to go through that. Not that we are not going to have the problems, but then we can bear the strength to go through that, because that is not actually the real problem. So some sense of fearlessness.
So ये answer Sarita Mataji ने भी दिया था और Mohit Prabhu ने भी like this. But philosophy वाले ज़्यादा हैं और general. So I will just ask now those who have not answered. Yes, Rameshwar Gaurang Prabhu. Mr. Gaurav Prabhu.
1 second, Prabhuji. Sorry. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Then
Yes,
we'll understand this body is temporary, and the soul doesn't have any age.
तो जी एज का क्वेश्चन तो माता जी लोग बोले तो बेटर है कि देयर इज नो एज, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग ओल्ड। ये आपके मुंह से सही नहीं लगता है एज का, so that is okay. I'm saying more for personal, you know. Okay, let's see just the last one, then I'll come because we will do the shloka also. Yes, Kamal Prabhu. Yes, Kamal Prabhu.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, धन्यवाद, प्रणाम।
कृष्णा
प्रभु जी, ये सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन होना तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है कि आई एम सोल एंड बॉडी के अंदर बहुत इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट टू रियलाइजेशन टू मी। बट प्रभु जी, मुझे फिर भी ये फील होता है कि जो हम एक प्रभु जी, आवाज आ रही है मेरी? प्रभु जी, आप सुन पा रहे हैं? हाँ प्रभु जी, मुझे जो लगता है कि ऐसे जब हम एक जो मटेरियल यस प्रभु जी, जो मुझे लगता है कि हम जो एक मटेरियल दौड़ में जो हम भागे चले जा रहे थे, एक अपनी लाइफ के अंदर बहुत गोल अचीव करने के लिए, अपनी बहुत सारी मटेरियल चीजों को इकट्ठा करने के लिए, अपनी बॉडी के लिए, तो समटाइम्स ऐसा फील होता है प्रभु जी, देयर इज नो रिक्वायरमेंट टू डू दिस ऑल द बिकॉज वी आर नॉट ए बॉडी। एक टाइम तो जानी है, तो समटाइम्स ऐसा फील होता है बिकॉज द सोल इज देयर। सो दिस माय आई वांट टू से।
Prabhuji, can I also say?
Okay. Yes, Neha Madhav.
Prabhuji, am I right?
Prabhuji? Prabhuji, I have two realizations personally. Firstly, this कि जो इतनी problems आती हैं material life में, earlier I used to think कि पता नहीं इसका end कब होएगा, but अब लगता है कि this will keep on going and on till the time we don't achieve our goal of going to Vaikunt. And जो अब ये परेशानियां या मुश्किलें आती हैं, तो अब वो इतनी वो नहीं करती हैं, परेशान नहीं करती हैं, because this is still eternal. And दूसरा realization मैं भूल ही गई, क्या बोलने वाली थी, भूल गई, sorry.
हमें बोलते हैं मंद सुमंद मते हो। So realization. So you must understand, मैं आपको ये बता देता हूँ कि we should use the realization term little selectively, because realization means it has entered my daily life. So our word we should use is understanding. Okay, I have understood, है ना? But देखिए हमारा क्या हाल होता है, understand करते हुए भूल जाते हैं। मेरा भी ऐसे ही होता है माता, हम इकट्ठे ही हैं सारे। So okay, yes, Rachna Mata ji.
I think what Sarita Mataji has given the answer is the best suitable answer for like what Sarita Mataji has told.
Okay, Mataji. Okay, so who is left? Yes, Anita Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, when someone left his body or her body, so we say that he is departed. तो हम कहते हैं कि जैसे स्वर्ग सुधार गए, but the body is here, so who has departed? Then we realize the only soul has departed, but the body is here. So yes, that way we realize.
But that's a general philosophy. My question was more towards us, what it means to me. Okay, so Saurabh Prabhu, now you wait. I will not take more questions because यही हमारे 8:02 हो गए हैं.
Prabhuji, then
बोलिए.
I won't like worry so much कि मुझे लाइफ में ये मिला नहीं मिला, मुझे ये बनना है, something like that. So maybe I will.
That's theorizing because you will feel कि मुझे क्या बनना था नहीं बना. You understand? It's a general statement. It's a visual statement. मुझे क्या करना है क्या नहीं बना उसके बारे में मैं नहीं सोचूंगा. But question is you will think after 5 minutes you will think. Huh? It is not. So इसका जो general है मैं आप लोगों से see one answer I was looking is what some of you answered. It brings fearlessness. Another example, very common, जो गुरु महाराज बोलते भी बहुत बार कि आप इस्कॉन में आते हैं, सबसे पहला आपका जो ज्ञानी ध्यानी अष्टांग योगी जो लगे हैं, कोई 10,000 साल, कोई 50,000 साल, कोई उनका क्या, what do you want to become? Okay, now I will ask this question. I will ask the person, and you no need to raise hand. I will ask कि what a Gyani wants to become. What is his final what should I say, final aim of a Gyani or a big yogi? What is their final aim for himself personally? अपने person के लिए उनका क्या goal है? So I will ask. Okay, I will ask somebody who has not answered. Shashi Mataji, can you think what is the answer?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, I think it's going back to Godhead.
Okay,
जो हम सुनते हैं जैसे
वो डिवोटीज का है माता जी, वो भक्तों का है।
अच्छा, हाँ,
जो वो भक्तों का गोल है, भगवान के धाम जाना, वैकुंठ जाना। जो ज्ञानी है, okay, I will ask one more time. Yes, Rameshwar Gaurang Prabhu, what is the goal of a Gyani? What he wants to achieve for himself? Rameshwar Gaurang Prabhu. Yes. Prabhuji is not here. Okay. So, yes, Sarita Mataji, you tell.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी। सो ज्ञानी ये चाहता है, ज्ञानी जो है वो ज्ञान प्राप्त करके, क्योंकि वो ब्रह्म को मानता है और ब्रह्म में ही विलीन होना चाहता है। पहले वो ज्ञान प्राप्त करना चाहता है ब्रह्म का, फिर ब्रह्म में विलीन होना चाहता है।
मतलब अपने लिए क्या चाहता है माता जी?
अपने लिए।
So what is in it for him? अपने लिए क्या चाहता है?
अपने लिए प्रभु जी सबसे पहली बात तो वो ज्ञान, क्योंकि ज्ञानी है तो ज्ञान प्राप्त करके वो जो अपने लिए एनलाइटनमेंट,
that is a stepping stone, Mataji. The Gyan and everything is a stepping stone. What they want to do, many people have raised hands. Okay, Megha Mataji has not answered any question. Yes, Megha Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी। प्रभु जी ज्ञान प्राप्त करके काइंड ऑफ स्कॉलरशिप के जैसे मतलब प्रीचिंग करना चाहते हैं जस्ट टू शो देयर ज्ञान।
No, Mataji, no, it is not. What does a Karmi wants? Actually, Karmi also wants the same thing. Let me give you a hint. The Karmi also want the same thing.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Yes. Sorry, Prabhu. What do they want?
You asking me, Prabhu?
Yes, you only.
Prabhu, liberation.
What does liberation means for them?
Breaking the cycle of birth and death. And
what does that mean to them? So what does that translate into? That translates into to become Amar. They don't want to die. क्या चाहते हैं? अमर बनना चाहते हैं. Correct? अमर का अब इंग्लिश ही भूल गया मैं. So अमर का क्या होगा इंग्लिश में? What is अमर? अमर means one immortal. Yes. उषा माता जी ने मेरी हिंदी ठीक करा दी और मैं इंग्लिश भूल गया, देखिए. So he wants to become immortal. वो immortal बनना चाहता है. So that immortality comes just by understanding this verse. So immortal. The Guru Maharaj बहुत बार बोलते हैं कि आप स्कोर में आते हैं, आपको जो ज्ञानी ध्यानी 10-20 हजार साल लगा रहे हैं, आपको फट से पता चल जाता है दूसरे अध्याय के अंदर कि ना मेरा जन्म हुआ ना मेरी मृत्यु हो रही है. I am Amar. Correct? So what they take thousands of years. You know, we are talking 2.20 and we are saying we are Amar, no problem. We may not have the realization, but at least we have understanding. And we have brave souls like Amit Prabhu who's saying, I will be very happy at the time of my death. So, like that, you know. So basic thing is that one understands that I am immortal. I am not going to die. Like that.
Can I say something, Prabhuji?
This is a very big realization to have, to understand that I will never die. It brings what it brings? Fearlessness. जिसे मोहित प्रभु, सरिता माता जी और लोगों ने बोला था, what it bringing? It brings the fearlessness in us that because we are fearful of death. हमें किसी से डर लगता है मृत्यु से. क्यों घर में दुबक के बैठे हैं सारे के सारे? Because we are scared of death. आज यहाँ केस आ गया कोरोना वायरस का, 500 मीटर पे आ गया, 200 पे आ गया, 100 पे आ गया, अगले घर में आ गया. What are we fearful of? Death. We're fearful of death. So then the fear is not there. Correct? और वो हम अपने आप अपने आप अपना जो मापदंड है, बेंचमार्क अपने आप रख सकते हैं कि हमें कितना डर लग रहा है, कितना नहीं लग रहा है. How much are we fearful of death? It's a big one actually. हमें लगता है कि it's a small one, but it is not a small one. It's a very big hurdle to cross towards going towards moving further in spiritual life. मैं लेक्चर सुन रहा था 2-4 दिन पहले. I tried to find, I couldn't. उससे प्रॉपर देखते हैं कि लिबरेशन doesn't mean कि आपके 4 हाथ आ जाएंगे, 8 टांगे आ जाएंगी, 4 सर आ जाएंगे. He says, if you are beyond material conception of life, you are liberated. It's a very petty thing. And he says, for devotees, it comes very easily. He's saying like that. He says कि आपको लगता है कि जो liberation है, liberation, फिर वो उनका बिल्वा मंगल प्रभु का वो कोट करते हैं कि कैसे वो जो मुक्ति है वो हाथ जोड़ के भक्तों के आगे like a servant, she's saying that give me some service, and devotee says go away, I don't want any service from you, like that. So just by reading these verses, ये जो 11 से लेके 30 तक है जिसमें आत्मा का ज्ञान दिया है, that one should become fearless, or at least one moves in that direction. Doesn't mean we become 100% fearless, but we become less fearful. Let me put it this way, gradually. And one should understand, I am not going to die. Maybe this house, maybe that house, maybe this apartment or that apartment, like that, things are changing, no problem. So that is a big one to have even the understanding. So now we'll read the purport. Qualitatively, the small atomic fragmental part of the Supreme Spirit is one with the Supreme. ये तो हमें मालूम है ये कि qualitatively we are one, but we are small atomic fragmental part of the Supreme Spirit. Qualitatively, the small atomic fragmental part of the Supreme Spirit is one with the Supreme. So who are we? Who are we? Qualitatively one, but quantitatively क्या बता रहे हैं? क्या है? We are simply a atomic fragmental part. जिसे हमने last 1-2 क्लास शायद पहले हमने डिस्कस किया था कि fire and one what do we call it? One
spark.
One spark. Yes, thank you. One spark of fire. So because we are anu, because we are one fragmental part, then what is our sthiti? We are tatastha. What does it mean? That we cannot stand on our own. It also means that Lord is achyuta, but we are chuta. Lord is infallible, but we are fallible. This is the difference between Atma and Bhagavan, or Atma and Paramatma. He is achyuta, we are chuta. He is infallible, we are fallible. He cannot forget, we forget. He cannot fall down, we fall down. And we are maintained by his lotus feet. Nityo nityanam chetnas chetnanam. So there is, among all the nityas, he is the supreme one. Among all the chetnas, he is the supreme consciousness. He is the one who is maintaining everybody, including the liberated souls and the conditioned souls. At the time of after liberation also, after going back to Vaikuntha also, Dham also, we remain dependent upon him. We are never independent. But what we have done there, we are completely under his spiritual energy, and here we are under his under the kind direction of the material energy. So this is the difference. So we will always have to take a shelter, either external energy or internal energy. Why? Because we are anu. We are a fragmental part. We are a spark. You must understand. We are never independent, nor we can independent do anything. The only thing we can do is desire. So one must desire. Like अभी अमित प्रभु कह रहे थे कि प्रभु जी, I can never become self-realized. Why should we think like this? We should think by Prabhupada's mercy or Guru's mercy, I will become. Doesn't matter this birth or that birth, because it is immaterial. It is just going from one apartment to another apartment, right? Like this. So one must have a desire. जो हम पढ़ते हैं, we must have a desire, and we must understand we are dependent upon Krishna. and the spiritual energy. वापस जाने का जो रास्ता है is to hitch on to the spiritual energy of the Lord, not getting stuck with the material energy. जिसे आप लोगों में से कमल प्रभु और एक दो लोगों ने बताया भक्तों ने कैसे it brings Saurabh Prabhu also that it becomes detachment. But we have to see that, is it really happening or is it only in my mind? Am I tasting the honey or I'm licking the bottle of honey from outside? Like that. So it's very important to understand that we are always small, atomic, fragmental part. We are a spark. Again, Prabhupada, he undergoes no changes like the body. A body में 6 change होते हैं, ये हमने पढ़े थे. Who will tell me what are the 6 changes in the body? All the 6 changes, Dinesh Prabhu, can you tell?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. 6 changes. Which are the 6 changes?
One is जन्म लेना माता के गर्भ में, और उसके बाद कुछ समय तक बढ़ना, और उसके बाद संतान उत्पन्न करना, फिर वृद्धावस्था, फिर समाप्त हो जाना. I think one is missing.
ये क्या बोला आपने? जन्म,
बढ़ना, संतान उत्पन्न करना, बुढ़ापा, उसके बाद मृत्यु.
5. एक रह गया प्रभु. Who will tell me what is the one left?
Deteriorating. The 5th is deteriorating.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, deteriorate माता जी बुढ़ापे में आ गया. That is the same. बुढ़ापा. He missed one. Which is the one he missed? Yes, Saurabh Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
वो भी बता दिया उन्होंने माता जी.
प्रभु जी जरा.
Prabhu ji, it is.
No, just wait. Don't speak like this, Mataji. I will ask because then we can't hear anybody.
Prabhu
Yes, Saurabh
ji,
Prabhu, go ahead.
So the maintaining part. So first is grow. First is take birth, grow, maintain, then dwindle.
Correct.
Byproducts dwindle and then die.
Correct. Okay. So ये 6 है. 6 क्या है? दो तो हो गए जन्म और मृत्यु, और एक क्या हुआ जो है growth. Then it remains for some time. Maintenance. It has for some time it remains like that. Then growth, then reproduction. Then it dwindles and then it dies. So कोई भी जो भी living वस्तु है उसके 6 symptoms रहते हैं. These are 6 symptoms of any living entity. But वो बता रहे हैं कि ये जो 6 symptoms हैं ये क्या रहते हैं? ये आत्मा के नहीं. These are symptoms of a body in which there is soul. So whether it is amoeba or virus or tree or animal or plants, they will all have these 6 symptoms. Anything which has life has these 6 symptoms. But the soul is beyond that material body. तो ये श्लोक है, ये क्या कह रहा है? ये जो will not go into detail, but actually Acharya have explained each line, each shabd explains these 6 systems and contradicts. The soul doesn't take birth, soul doesn't die, soul doesn't grow, soul doesn't be for some time because it is there for all the time. Soul doesn't reproduce, so there is no, there is no father, there is no son or daughter like this. Soul doesn't go old like this. So all the 6 symptoms, Govind Dev, what he's saying, इनका खंडन कर रहे हैं इस श्लोक से. So आगे पढ़ते हैं. Sometimes the soul is called steady or kutastha. The body is subject to 6 kinds of transformations. So who's subject to 6 kinds of transformations? The body, not the soul. It takes its birth in the womb of the mother's body, remains for some time, grows, produces some effects, gradually dwindles, and at last vanishes into oblivion. The soul, however, does not go through such changes. The soul is not born. But because he takes on a material body, the body takes its birth. The soul does not take birth there, and the soul does not die. Anything which has birth also has death. Always remember this thing. Anything which has birth also has death. Anything which has, which has come into being will also get destroyed. Why? Because eternal means no birth. Eternal means no birth. So anything which has taken birth means it is not eternal. It will die. And because the soul has no birth and therefore has no past, present or future, because it is beyond time. There is never a time when it was not there. There is never a time it will not be there. It is eternal. He is eternal, ever existing, primeval. That is, there is no trace in the history of his coming into being. So in that manner, there is no past. Under the impression of the body, we seek the history of birth, etc. of the soul. The soul does not at any time becomes old as the body does. The so-called old man, therefore, feels himself to be in the same spirit as is his childhood or youth. The changes of the body do not affect the soul. ये देखो, ये भी एक है कि the changes of the body do not affect soul in any manner. The soul does not deteriorate like a tree nor anything material. The soul has no byproduct either. The byproducts of the body, namely children, are also different individual souls, and owing to the body, they appear as children of a particular man. But other they are not the son or the daughter of his soul, because the soul doesn't reproduce. Soul doesn't reproduce. So we are ansh of Krishna. That's why again and again we say, Krishna says, "Am bija pada prita." I'm the seed-giving Father. Everything has come from me. He's our eternal Father. So जब तक हम भगवान से अपना संबंध नहीं स्थापित करेंगे, जब तक समझेंगे नहीं कि वो हमारे पिता हैं, तो अभी भी देखिए, most of us will love our so-called father who has given us birth, or the so-called children whom we have given birth more than Krishna. Why? Because we see that sambandh to be more important than our relationship with Krishna. Why somebody is able to dedicate his life to body, mind, and words to Krishna? Why at the age of 70, Prabhupada left Vrindavan, and for 10 years he went around, 14 times around the world. Why he never took sleep? Why sannyasis, senior sannyasis in ISKCON, somebody has some paralysis, somebody cannot move, somebody has so many diseases you can't count. Still they are going all around the world singing his glories, preaching. Why? Because the sambandh is so strong. They understand who am I and who is he and what is our relationship and how affectionate he is, how compassionate he is. Then we want to give our very soul to his seva. That's why. They don't want any pratishtha or money or puja, which a karmi wants. Puja, pratishtha, man. A karmi wants puja, pratishtha, man. But a devotee doesn't want. He's senior Vaishnava. What he wants? He simply wants the puja, pratishtha, and man. He also wants puja, pratishtha, man, but he wants it for Krishna. Unki puja kariye, unka मान करिए, उनकी बड़ाई करिए, because उनका जो भगवान से the love of Godhead, that is a symptom of love of Godhead. जो उनका जो प्रेम है, जो हर एक आत्मा का भगवान के प्रति प्रेम है, that प्रेम has manifested now, like light. Then there is no other alternative than to sing his glories like that. जिसे नारद जी कर रहे हैं. He goes through all the worlds, higher planets, lower planets, middle planets, singing the glories of Lord and making devotees out of innocent people, even demons. So आगे पढ़ते हैं. The body develops because of the soul's presence, but the soul has neither offshoots nor change. जो body है, ये हमने कितनी बार हमने discuss किया कि जैसे ही soul जाती है, body starts deterioration. So that body growing is also, the soul has neither offshoots nor it changes. Therefore, the soul is free from 6 changes of the body. In the Katha Upanishad we find a similar passage. देखिए ये कथा उपनिषद में कितना सेम है. देखिए श्लोक, ना जायते म्रियते वा विपाश्चिन नायम कुटाश्चिन ना विभुव कश्चित अजो नित्य शाश्वतो अयम पुराणो ना हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीर. ऐसे लग रहा है डुप्लीकेट वर्ड्स आ गया है. देखिए, बिकॉज देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन गुरु साधु एंड शास्त्र. जो शास्त्र है वो क्या है? भगवान के वचन है. सो व्हाट ही इज सेइंग, व्हाट कृष्णा सेड इन कथा उपनिषद, ही इज सेइंग रिपीटिंग हियर आल्सो. कितना कॉमन वर्ड्स है. देखिए, द मीनिंग एंड पर्पस ऑफ दिस वर्स जो ऊपर कोट किया है कथा उपनिषद से is the same as Bhagavad Gita, but here in this verse there is one special word. What is that special word? Vipaschit, which means learned or with knowledge. The soul is full of knowledge or full always with consciousness. हम कहाँ भाग रहे हैं? हम भाग रहे हैं, वेद पढ़ रहे हैं, पुराण पढ़ रहे हैं, गूगल पढ़ रहे हैं, encyclopedia पढ़ते हैं. All that propensity is coming because the soul is in knowledge. And we feel we lack knowledge and we are seeking knowledge, but we don't have to seek outside. Everything is inside. Everything is inside. Soul is full of knowledge. It's called Satchidanand. It's cognizant. So if we seek inside, we will get it. We are seeking outside. Vedeshta sarve ahameva vedyo vedanta vidvet viddevacha. ये प्रभुपाद बहुत बार बोलते हैं कि वी डोंट नो कि मैं इतना बहस करता हूँ साइंटिस्ट के साथ. प्रभुपाद बोलते हैं कि सो मेनी टाइम्स वी आर्ग्यू विद साइंटिस्ट. और आप लोगों ने जिन्होंने प्रभुपाद के लेक्चर सुने हैं वो देखते हैं, बोलते हैं उस दार्शनिक का, उस फिलोसोफर की क्या फिलोसफी है बोलिए, और उसका खंडन करते हैं. और बहुत सुंदरता से खंडन करते हैं. इट इज अनबिलीवेबल. सिंपल फिलोसफी एनालॉजी खंडन कर देते हैं. तो कई बार प्रभुपाद बोलते थे कि ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने फिलॉसफी पढ़ी है या बहुत बड़ा दर्शन शास्त्र पढ़ा है, बल्कि क्या पता है हमें? ये कौन बताएगा? Who will tell the answer to the puzzle? कि what Prabhupada said, we are not scientists, we are not philosophers, but we know one thing, and we simply have to do that thing, then we can answer everything in the world. Yes, Saurabh Prabhu.
Tuji, we have to connect everything to Krishna.
Yes. He said, we know everything has come from Krishna. So we just have to connect everything with Krishna and we can answer everything in the world. So simple. And he could जितनी भी philosophies हैं, from Freud to जिसका भी मर्जी नाम ले लीजिए, उन्होंने सबको खंडित किया, just by being able to connect this with that. Like connect everything with Krishna, he could answer everything. Everything is explainable. What is required is a good connection. Connection कैसे आता है? With a connection comes from faith in Guru, Sadhu, Shastra. By hearing Guru, Sadhu, Shastra, and so उनके अंदर जब हमारा faith बढ़ता है, हमारी श्रद्धा बढ़ती है गुरु में, और साधु means senior वैष्णवों में और शास्त्रों में, then gradually we are able to connect and we can answer everything like this. So this is very important. कि हम बाहर ढूंढ रहे हैं knowledge, but knowledge is within us. Therefore, the soul is full of knowledge, or always full, or full always with consciousness. Therefore, consciousness is a symptom of the soul. So consciousness can be in different, what should I say, different grades. One is Jagrati, one is Swapna, then consciousness is low. One is Shushupti, deep sleep. Like that, but it is always conscious. Through gross body or through subtle body, or it can even go in a deep sleep, like in a coma or something like that. But soul always is conscious. Even if one does not find the soul within the heart where he is situated, one can still understand the presence of the soul simply by the presence of the consciousness. वो कह रहे हैं हम material eyes से, इन भौतिक आंखों से शायद जो आत्मा को ना देख पाए, but common sense से हम ये मान सकते हैं कि हमारे शरीर में आत्मा है. Sometimes we do not find sometimes we do not find the sun in the sky owing to the clouds or for some other reason, but the light of the sun is always there. So we may not be conscious of what we are, but that congruence, that knowledge within us is always there. We may not be aware of it. जैसे इसका एग्जांपल आता है, जैसे हनुमान जी थे जो बचपन में थे तो बड़े शैतान थे, हाँ, तो बड़ा तंग करते थे ऋषि मुनियों को, तो फिर उनको श्राप दिया कि आप जो है ये जो सारी पावर है आप ये भूल जाएंगे। उनको इस दंड मिला क्योंकि वो ऋषि मुनियों को बहुत तंग करते थे, तो उन्होंने श्राप दिया कि भूल जाएंगे, हाँ, और बल्कि जब भगवान स्वयं आएंगे और जब उनकी सेवा के अंदर जब टाइम आएगा, then somebody will remind you and you will immediately remember. So he passed, Hanuman ji, he passed all his youth age without knowing how powerful is he. और जब वो जंप लगाने का टाइम आया, फर्स्ट टाइम जो ढूंढने के लिए गई 4 पार्टियां और एक पार्टी जो साउथ में गई, जब वो टाइम आया ढूंढने का, तो वहां पर उन्होंने पूछा कि कितना दूर है, और फिर जो उनके लीडर थे, आई डोंट नो हु वाज द लीडर, एंड देन ही आई थिंक हु वाज द लीडर ऑफ दैट पार्टी,
जामवंत
नहीं, जामन नहीं, और
Angad
was the leader. Yes, Angad was the leader. So Angad said, I can jump maybe 40-50 yojans, but I don't know whether I can come back. Then Jambavan said कि Angad, आप 40-50 योजन की बात कर रहे हैं, बल्कि you can jump 100 yojan and you can come back also. There is no problem. But he said, because you are the leader, you should not go. And then he said, Hanuman, you go. And then he reminds Hanuman how powerful you are. And then Hanuman remembers everything. And he jumps, in one jump, he goes to Lanka. So that is there always. Similarly, we don't know how potent soul is. You know, how much potency soul has, how much knowledge soul has. But with the kripa of Guru and Sadhu and Shastra, we can realize it. And apply it on our daily life, not just theory. So, okay, we'll try to finish this shloka. Just 2-3 minutes I'll take. I will read it again. Sometimes we do not find the sun in the sky owing to the clouds or for some other reason, but the light of the sun is always there. And we are convinced that it is there for daytime. As soon as there is a light, there is a little light in the sky early in the morning, we can understand that the sun is in the sky. Similarly, since there is some consciousness in all bodies, whether man or animal, we can understand the presence of the soul. So, by चेतनता से हमें जो भगवान का जो आत्मा है, उसका हमें पता चल सकता है कि हर एक के अंदर आत्मा है. This consciousness is of the soul, however, is different from the consciousness of the supreme, because the supreme consciousness is all knowledge, past, present, and future. The consciousness of individual soul is prone to be forgetful. ये जो मैंने आपको बताया, ये परमात्मा और आत्मा में ये फर्क है कि परमात्मा is aware of everybody. जो ये 13वें अध्याय में आता है, आत्मा भी क्षेत्रज्ञ है, परमात्मा भी क्षेत्रज्ञ है, बट फर्क ये है कि जो आत्मा है, we know about ourselves when we become even self-realized, but परमात्मा, भगवान, he knows about every other soul also. When he is forgetful of his real nature, he obtains education and enlightenment from the superior lessons of Krishna. But Krishna is not like the forgetful soul. If so, Krishna's teaching of Bhagavad Gita would be useless. जो लोग बोलते हैं कि कृष्ण भगवान नहीं है बल्कि एक he's a very महान great soul, so प्रभुपाद इसका फिर से खंडन कर रहे हैं कि if he is also forgetful, then there is no purpose of teaching of Bhagavad Gita, because we don't know what is right, what is wrong. So he is not forgetful, he is Achyuta. आगे लिखते हैं, there are two kinds of souls, namely minute particle souls, Anu Atma, and super soul, Vibhu Atma. So there are two kinds of souls, एक परमात्मा और एक आत्मा. So one is Anu, one is Vibhu. This is also confirmed in the Katha Upanishad, sorry, I was pronouncing Katha. It is Katha Upanishad. Both the super soul Paramatma and the atomic soul Jivatma are situated on the same tree of the body within the same heart of the living being, and only one who has become free from all material desires as well as all limitations can, by the grace of the Supreme, understands the glory of the soul. So जो अमन प्रभु कह रहे थे कि कभी मैं सेल्फ रियलाइज नहीं कर पाऊंगा या कभी नहीं करेंगे, अपने आप से हम कभी नहीं बन सकते हैं. यहाँ भी कह रहे हैं that how he becomes by the grace of the Supreme. So that grace is flowing through the heart of sadhu, guru, and shastra. इनकी शरण लेके one can be easily self-realized. It's very easy. Krishna is the fountainhead of the super soul also, because super soul is the expansion of Krishna, as it will be disclosed in the following chapters. And Arjun is the atomic soul, forgetful of his real nature. So that is the analogy जो भी कृष्ण और अर्जुन की चल रही है कि one is representing soul and one is representing super soul. Then जो सारा हो रहा है कि कैसे बता रहे हैं कि जो जीवात्मा है, he is forgetful. He can forget. Why? Because he is an atomic fragmental part, Anu. Therefore, he requires to be enlightened by Krishna or by his bona fide representative, the spiritual master. So why we need? Because we are forgetful. So who's giving us our eternal relationship with the Lord? Guru, Sadhu, and Shastra. So that is why we should take complete shelter of these three resources, and then easily, जो बाकियों के लिए बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है, हजारों साल तपस्या करनी पड़ती है, that becomes very easy. देखिए हिरण्यकाशिपु ने पता नहीं कितने साल उन्होंने एक पैर पे भी नहीं बल्कि एक पैर के एक टो के ऊपर खड़े होकर उन्होंने वो कितने हजारों साल तक की, और क्या मांगा ब्रह्मा जी से, मैं अमर हो जाऊं. That is what demons want. But devotees don't want Amar because they know I'm anyway Amar. There's no need to ask Brahmaji for the Vardhan, because I have realized I'm not going to take a birth, I'm going to die. No need. Thank you. So this is a little explanation of this beautiful verse. Na hanyate hanye mane sharire. So wonderful. और आप लोगों से बहुत सुंदर गाया, बट जो सबसे सुंदर गाया आज वो अंकिता माता जी ने गाया. Ankita Mataji, can I request you to sing the verse again, this particular shloka, and then we'll end the class.
Na jayate mriyate va kadachit nayam bhutva bhavita va na bhuya ajonit shashvat toyam purano Nahanyate hanyamane sharire.
Thank you so very much. So we'll end the class now. Namam Vishnu Padaya, Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale, Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine, Namaste Saraswate Deva Gauravani, Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pasha. And I hope आप लोगों में से जिसने वो निर्जला रखा है कि आप ठीक से निर्जला रख सके, और जिन्होंने जिस तरह से भी व्रत रखा है कोई बात नहीं, निर्जला नहीं भी रख पाए हैं, सर्जला रखे हैं या जूसा रखे हैं, I don't know what is the term for that, so या फल के साथ रखे हैं. So all our prayers and best wishes for you. Thank you so much.
प्रभु जी IDC का रिजल्ट कब आएगा?
वो आपका रिजल्ट नहीं आया माता जी?
नहीं अभी तो नहीं आया प्रभु जी. आपने बस ये बताया था कि सब पास हो गए, ग्रुप में आया, तो उसके अलावा तो कुछ नहीं आया.
यही रिजल्ट है माता जी, सब पास हो गए बस. अच्छा, उसका रिजल्ट नहीं आता है. नंबर यूजुअली नहीं देते हैं माता जी, नंबर यूजुअली देते हैं, और अगर आपको नंबर चाहिए तो रमेश्वर गिरधारी प्रभु दयावान है, कृपावान है, तो वो आपको बता देंगे आपके मार्क्स कितने आए हैं. बट अदरवाइज वी आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू नो द रिजल्ट, बिकॉज़ आइडिया इज वी हैव अंडरस्टूड एंड वी आर मूविंग ऑन. But आप में से जिसको रिजल्ट चाहिए, they can message रमेश्वर गिरधारी प्रभु and he will tell what is the percentage.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु.
एंड प्रभु जी ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड कि एक टॉपिक हमारा क्लियर नहीं है, उसका एक स्पेशल सेशन होएगा, तो वो भी होएगा क्या कभी?
वो हमने पिछले संडे लिया था माता जी, एक संडे आई थिंक टुक, बट पूरा नहीं हो पाया। तो वो कुछ टॉपिक्स हैं, मतलब ही फाउंड, रमेश्वर गिरधारी प्रभु जी उन्होंने आपके पेपर चेक किया होंगे, ही फाउंड कि कुछ गलतियां हैं। तो जो गलतियां हैं, सो उसका एक सेशन हम कर लेंगे मे बी सून। बट आई थिंक all of you did very well because our average marks were above 80-85. आप लोगों के सबके जो marks हैं, they are between 80 and 85. Highest marks is 97%. And many people are 89, 90, 92, 95, like this. I think average will come to around 80-85, like that. But it doesn't matter, Mataji, because main thing is understanding. और उसका एक सेशन we will try to maybe we will try to get one session। और रमेश्वर गिरधारी प्रभु को एक बार इनवाइट करके उनको थैंक यू भी बोल देंगे, धन्यवाद भी। और जो पॉइंट उनको लगता है कि कुछ अभी भी रह गए हैं थोड़े से, हाँ, और किसी का कुछ तो वो दोबारा से बता देंगे, ठीक है?
थैंक यू। हाँ जी, थैंक यू प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा प्रभु, थैंक यू।
मेरा एक
प्रभु जी
क्वेश्चन है।
धन्यवाद।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा
प्रभु जी, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है।
यस माता जी।
प्रभु जी, जैसे हमें पता है कि वी आर नॉट दिस बॉडी, वी आर ए सोल, और फैमिली में भी जितने मेंबर्स हैं वो सभी सोल ही हैं, बॉडी नहीं है, तो फिर हम सब लोग 2-2.5 महीने से दुबक के जो घरों में बैठे हुए हैं, ये कैसा फियर है फिर?
हाँ, ये फियर माता जी, इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको फियर ही कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये समझदारी भी है। ऐसा नहीं है कि इट इज ओनली आउट ऑफ फियर। हाँ, how it is samajhdari, Meenakshi Mata ji, tell me.
Because Prabhuji, we got this body to do a service for Krishna. If it's expected by all these things, then we won't able to do a service properly. So that's why we're just keeping ourselves safe so that we can do a service for Krishna.
So ऐसा नहीं है माता जी सारे दुबक के बैठे हैं, बल्कि ऐसा भी है जिसे माता जी ने बोला, किसी की कॉन्शियसनेस इस तरह से भी है कि they are interested to serve। और ये शरीर मिला है पता, because we don't know what next body we are going to get, so अगला शरीर क्या मिलता है हमें नहीं पता, so we have to take care of this body so we can do our service properly। और दूसरा, ये तो माता जी की कॉन्शियसनेस, और बाकी सारे दुबक के बैठे हैं मेरी तरह, क्योंकि माता जी we still are in a देहात्म बुद्धि, our consciousness is still like this। देखिए, अभी भी कोई हमें कोई बुरा बोलेगा, we feel bad, है ना? ऐसा नहीं है। अभी भी अगर कोई बाहर, अगर मैं नीचे जाऊं और कोई गार्ड मेरा नीचे से मुझे धक्का दे दे या मुझे थप्पड़ मार दे, आई विल फील वेरी बैड। आई विल नॉट थिंक, मुझे तो नहीं लगा, क्योंकि मैं तो आत्मा हूँ, है ना? या कोई हमसे गलत बात करता है, और छोड़ी कोई घर वाला ही गलत बात करता है माता जी, कोई हमारे पुत्र पुत्री या माता पिता या कहीं हमें कोई बात बोलते जो बुरी लगती है, हमें लगता है ना माता जी। सो इसका क्या मतलब है? वी आर स्टिल इन द देहात्म बुद्धि, बिकॉज पंडिता समदर्शिना, सो वी हैव नॉट रीच्ड दैट स्टेज। हमें सिर्फ उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन है कि हम क्या है, हम आत्मा है, शरीर नहीं है, बट उसका साक्षात्कार नहीं है, उसकी सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन।
ठीक है, थैंक यू प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा। और